Yield farming is a cryptocurrency investing method that promises higher returns than most traditional investments currently give. It might be an opportunity for the brave to strike it rich or for holders of new currencies to influence pricing. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notification. The Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States has warned the sector that it has doubts, particularly about whether the activity should be regulated as a securities offering. When you deposit money in a bank, you are basically making a loan for which you receive interest. Yield farming, also known as yield or liquidity harvesting, entails leasing cryptocurrency. In exchange, you get interest and occasionally fees, although they're less significant than the practice of augmenting interest with gifts of units of a new cryptocurrency. The true benefit comes if the currency appreciates fast. It's like if banks were attracting new depositors with the promise of a tulip during the Dutch tulip mania, or a toaster if toasters were the subject of frenzied speculation and price volatility. So, how exactly does it work? First, do you know what a DApp is? That's abbreviation for a decentralized app. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin uses the following analogy to describe the concept. If Bitcoin is a pocket calculator, platforms with dApps are cell phones, but ones on which automated applications run, without the need for a central operating system or server. Many of them rely on the Ethereum blockchain, which is a digital ledger. The simplest technique is to lend digital currency like DAI or Tether through a dApp like Compound, which then loans the coins to borrowers, many of whom use them for speculating. Interest rates change according to demand, but for each day you participate in the Compound service, you receive additional Comp coins as well as interest and other expenses. If the Comp token grows in value, your profits will skyrocket as well. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon for instant notification. See you soon.